Me and Jake is out late this afternoon. Different part of the beach to where we normally go. He's there. Tide is out. That's Berryport. Beautiful little beach, yes. So yeah. Far side up there is Pembrey Country Park. Another beautiful spot. But yeah, beautiful place. Wind is pretty, I won't say strong, but there you go. That's what I show you, the lighthouse from the other side. That wall there. And there's the main attraction going there, look. Anyway, have a great day everyone. Catch you very soon. Hwyl fawr.